Wow, 100 subs. Yo, I can't believe it. We actually did it. 100 subs. Do you know what that means? That's like literally 100 of you guys. Literally, that's gaining value out of this channel. And I can't express when I say thank you. So this channel helps people improve their personal care and sexual health. That's the objective of this channel. And I try to find ways to make things interesting and kind of find some unique, cool ways to make, you know, things more digestible. It's thanks to you guys that I am able to finally have a URL so people can actually find the channel a lot easier. And I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. 100 sexy motherfucker. The fact that you guys are getting value out of these videos, it means a lot. Like I really can't express again how much I am grateful for you guys. The guys that actually subscribed, that liked, that disliked, that comment, that shared, like, yo, thank you. Like, damn, son. That nigga gonna cry. We at 100. Can you picture 1,000? Can you picture 10,000? Can you picture 50,000? We just getting started. And I can't, again, express myself when I say thank you for being the first 100 people on this channel. But anyway, stick around because I'm gonna find some more unique ways to get these messages across and kind of make things interesting for people to, like, you know, just soak in and dissect a lot easier. I sound like a fucking recurrent decimal, but again, thank you guys. Really appreciate it. You know what we should do? We should celebrate. We should celebrate. We should drink some nice tequila. At least one shot. One shot of tequila. No. We can't do tequila. No, I got a gig tomorrow and I cannot be drinking any alcohol. We're gonna do a shot of green tea, but not the alcohol green tea, the actual bush green tea. We're gonna take a shot of that. Grab a beverage, pour it in a cup, and let's all have a cheers. Okay, actually, hold up. Cool. So I got my tea, and yeah, to 100 subs. Some good shit.